Pura luka nyo, naalaya na. Pero na-dismiss na ba ang kaso? Ngayon po may update. Laya na siya. Well, technically, provisional liberty. Provisional liberty, mga kotsero. Pero nakakuha na siya ng 500,000 pesos in donations. Grabe. Kalahating milyon. Parang nanalo sa loto. Nagpakulong-kulong ka lang ng konti, drama-drama ka ng konti, may 500,000 ka na. Basahin po natin ito. Ito tungkol sa donations. Okay? Ang sabi, Naya announced that he and fellow drag queens will be having a fundraising event for Pura Luka on Sunday, bukas yan, October 8. And we will stand by our sister Pura Luka and fight fire with art. Wow, anong drama to? Drag is not a crime. Art cannot be censored. Spread the word. Really? Art cannot be censored? Who told you?